Hi guys, in one of my recent videos I mentioned the cover was missing off the back of one of my transmitters, little infrared transmitter for wall climbing cars, and I mentioned I was printing a new one, so I just thought I'd show you the 3D file that I created on Tinkercad, just so you can see what I did. Then I'll show you the clip from the video where I mentioned it. Then I'll show you the finished article. While we're up here, because my printer is in my workroom, I'll just show you I'm printing a back cover for this thing, because that's missing. Using up that pink filament that I've got that's awful, causes me all sorts of problems. The front's actually lifted up. Never mind, I'll soon used it all up and I can use the other stuff then. I know some of you like to see the finished article, so there we are. Just a plain flat plate with a bit for the screw and the clips underneath. I could probably have made it a little bit thicker. That's a little bit sort of flexible. That's 2mm thick. But it fits in there. That'll stop the batteries dropping out when I'm trying to use it. So, job done. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description. And if you like this video, you might like this one up here. And you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.